So we have about 48 hours. We're in a countdown as I'm looking at it. 48 hours countdown to a pretty big event. Going to tell you what's going to happen here. And is the crypto market going to plunge? Is it going to go down? We're going to discuss all of that in this video. As always, thanks for your support. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, please. I would greatly appreciate it. That tells the algorithm that we're here and all that kind of stuff. So, hey, here's the deal. Markets are down 2.2%. They've been down about 2% all morning. I started looking at them about 6 a.m. Dallas time. And so we've been kind of in this down cycle. Bitcoin losing, dropping below that 30,000, now down into 29.1. I did a video over the weekend, said that we need to be looking at about 25,000 for Bitcoin as kind of that next major next major threshold down. If we bust through that, then we could see 20,000. Now that's kind of a short-term worst case scenario. From there, we bounce back up. Indicators are calling for north of 40,000 by the end of the year. So yeah, a fair amount of volatility. So what is this 48-hour countdown that we're in? What is this period? Okay, so I'm tired of uttering these words myself. Federal Reserve FOMC meeting this week starts tomorrow into Wednesday. Wednesday's the day we care about. Wednesday around 1 o'clock East Coast time, 1:30 East Coast time is when we're going to get clarification and insight into what the Federal Reserve is going to do as far as raising the interest rate, the base interest rate. And yes, I know you're tired of hearing about it. I am tired of talking about it. Inflation is still one of the backdrop key centerpieces as to the volatility in the crypto market. So there's your 48-hour countdown. If they are, and here's what's going to happen. Either A, they're not going to raise the interest rate. B, they are going to raise the interest rate maybe 25 basis points. I think it's going to be option B. I think they're still going to raise the interest rate, even though the inflation reports, the CPI reports are coming in showing that inflation is dropping, all that kind of stuff. I still think they're going to do that. Now that, there's going to come a point where they're going to reach, and some people would say they've already reached this, where they've reached this kind of mission critical state where all of the interest rate hikes are going to continue to dramatically impact banking, commercial real estate, all that we're starting to see. Okay. So there's stuff out there that is introducing a lot of volatility, risk, uncertainty, etc. So all eyes are on the Federal Reserve this week, Wednesday, around 1 or 2 East Coast time. I will be live streaming, just seeing how it all plays out. So that's our 48-hour countdown. Right now, we're seeing the volatility. We're seeing the impact in crypto. We're definitely seeing this number right here, down 2+%. That is a direct result of uncertainty leading into this Wednesday reveal for the Federal Reserve. Okay, so got some big news. Grape is the channel sponsor for right now for my channel. They're doing some things that are really interesting. They are launching their Grape coin today on centralized exchanges, Bitmart, Uniswap. You can buy through the link below that I just showed you, this registration link. If you so chose, you can buy for $23 per Grape coin. Only 10 million are going to be in circulation, and they're going to launch at $30 or so, and going to be shooting for $50, $60 on the centralized exchanges. You're like, well, that sounds like a pretty good deal, Austin. I can buy for 23, and then I can go sell on exchanges. Yes, you can, but here's the key. Okay, now what Grape's doing is, number one, they're offering you up to, what is that, 61%. So they're going to offer you another additional 10% bonus in Grape coins, and they're going to give you 51% in GGT, which is their governance token. They're also going to give you 20% APY staking, annual percentage yield, on whatever you put in. Here's what's interesting about this. If you put, say, $2,000 in, you're going to get 60% additional coins and tokens. So you're going to get an additional what is that, 1,200? Yeah, an additional 1,200 in value above what you put in additional coins and tokens, and you're going to get 20% annualized yield. They're going to ask that you hold for 120 days, and then you can go sell on the centralized exchange. You can see I put some of my own money in. This is one that I definitely believe in, and I think that they're going to do some really great stuff. What Grape is, if you're curious, there's a link down below as well. They're an enterprise layer 1 blockchain that's in development, and they're basically also the very first Web 4 infrastructure for decentralized internet. And they're going after virtual world gaming first, proof, scalable, sustainable, all those kind of things. And here's why: businesses, enterprise, that's the key word, enterprise, businesses need to and will be coming onto blockchain in the next couple of years. And in these layer ones, these new layer ones like grape, that are going to be the wave of the future. So links in the description below. This page is the one you really want. Down below, you get all those bonuses I said if you use my link. And I would love to have you be part of this. And, again, nothing's guaranteed in life, right? But to run this through your own due diligence, this is one that I think is going to be here to stay. I've put some of my own money into it as well. And I'm really excited about the opportunity to see what these guys are going to do. And they're launching on centralized exchanges today. All right. I'll see you.